Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brooms for tile floors that are available on the market for their true quality. Tile floors require specialized cleaning tools to keep them looking pristine, and we've done the research to help you find the best options. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Nesina Multifunction Magic Broom, a unique 2-in-1 tool designed to sweep and scrape. This broom is equipped with a silicone blade, making it perfect for tile floors as it effectively removes water, pet hair, and dust without scratching the surface. One standout feature is its 180-degree swivel head, which allows it to easily clean hard-to-reach areas, like under furniture or in tight corners. The adjustable handle extends up to 54 inches, eliminating the need to bend over while cleaning. Plus, the silicone blade is easy to rinse and maintain, ensuring a long-lasting cleaning tool. The design is modern and functional, with a lightweight stainless steel handle that's both sturdy and rust-resistant. The silicone blade feels durable, and it's a great alternative to traditional bristles, especially if you're tired of pet hair getting stuck in your broom. However, because it doesn't have traditional bristles, it might not be as effective for picking up larger debris like leaves or crumbs. The Nesina Magic Broom is ideal for households with pets or areas prone to spills, like kitchens and bathrooms. While it performs admirably on flat surfaces, it struggles a bit with uneven tiles or grout lines. Overall, this is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile and low-maintenance cleaning tool. Pros include its multifunctionality and easy maintenance, while cons are its limited effectiveness on uneven surfaces and the lack of price transparency. At number 4, we have the True Green Indoor Broom, a versatile option with a 13-inch wide broom head and adjustable handle that extends from 42 to 54 inches. This broom features soft, flagged bristles with 6-layer technology, making it excellent for picking up fine dust, crumbs, and even small particles like sugar or coffee grounds. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, working effectively on tile, hardwood, and concrete surfaces. The design is simple yet robust, with a stainless steel handle that feels durable and a loop at the top for easy hanging storage. The bristles are soft yet resilient thanks to their split-end design, which enhances their dust-collecting ability. However, some users might find the handle slightly less ergonomic compared to other options on this list. Additionally, while the bristles are effective at collecting fine particles, they may flatten over time with heavy use. This broom is a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly, all-purpose option that can handle both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Its wide broom head covers more ground with each sweep, making it a time saver for larger areas. Pros include its wide sweeping area and multi-purpose design, while cons are its potential durability concerns over time and the lack of availability in some regions. Taking the number 3 spot is the Clean Home Dust Mop, which is more than just a broom. It's a multifunctional cleaning tool designed for both wet and dry cleaning. It comes with 3 interchangeable and washable microfiber pads, a chenille pad for water absorption, a twist microfiber pad for dust removal, and a polyester microfiber pad for tackling stubborn stains. These pads make it a versatile option for tile floors as well as hardwood and marble. The 55-inch extendable handle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great option for people of all heights. The 360-degree rotating mop head is ideal for reaching under furniture and into tight spaces. The build quality is solid and the mop pads are machine washable, which adds to the product's value. However, the plastic components may not feel as durable as the metal handle and could be a point of concern for long-term use. This mop is perfect for households that need a versatile, all-in-one solution for tile floors, especially if you want to switch between wet and dry cleaning. It's particularly useful for kitchens, bathrooms, and other high-traffic areas. Pros include its versatility, washable pads, and extendable handle, while cons are its reliance on plastic components and the slightly steeper learning curve for assembly. Sliding into second place is the O Cedar Pet Pro Broom with Step-On Dustpan. the most budget-friendly option on our list. This broom is specifically designed for pet owners, with dual bristle technology that effectively sweeps up 99% of dust, dirt, and pet hair in one go. The softer gray bristles are great for fine particles, while the firmer black bristles handle larger debris. The included step-on dustpan features built-in combs to remove hair from the bristles, making cleanup a breeze. The O-Cedar Pet Pro is lightweight and easy to assemble, with a durable plastic handle and bristles made from 80% recycled materials. The broom head is angled, making it perfect for reaching corners and edges. However, the dustpan doesn't clip onto the broom for storage, which can be a minor inconvenience. Additionally, the plastic handle may not feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. This broom is a fantastic choice for pet owners or anyone dealing with a lot of hair and fine debris on their tile floors. It's effective, affordable, and eco-friendly, making it a reliable everyday cleaning tool. Pros include its pet hair-specific design, affordability, and ease of use, while cons are its less premium build quality and lack of integrated storage. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Kelame Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set. This premium option is designed for heavy-duty use, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. The broom features upgraded 4-row bristles that are dense, durable, and effective at picking up even the smallest particles. The extendable pole adjusts from 38.18 to 50.39 inches, allowing for comfortable use without bending over. One of the standout features is the self-cleaning dustpan with built-in teeth to comb out hair and debris from the bristles. The rubber lip of the dustpan lies flush against the floor, ensuring no dirt gets left behind. The entire set is made with recycled materials, and the packaging is biodegradable, making it an eco-friendly choice. The broom and dustpan clip together for upright storage, saving space and keeping your cleaning tools organized. This set is ideal for anyone who wants a high-quality, eco-conscious cleaning solution for their tile floors. It's particularly great for larger spaces or households with pets, thanks to its efficient design and heavy-duty bristles. Pros include its durable construction, self-cleaning dustpan, and adjustable handle, while cons are its higher price point compared to other options on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect broom for your tile floors. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which of these brooms caught your eye, or if you have any questions about these products. We'll see you in the next video.